A frequent question asked by students is, how does one make friends in university? For today's video, we will share some tips how to create a new sustainable and meaningful circle of friends here at MacEwan.
Yeah, how do you do it? How can I make friends in university?
Making friends in university is no different from making friends anywhere else. Remember, we're all students and individuals. Everyone here is looking for a friend. You are not alone with asking this question.
That's right. We must keep in mind it's just a matter of having the confidence to say hi and start a conversation. Let's start with tips on how to achieve that. A great opportunity to make new friends is to attend new student orientation. All the attendees are new students like yourself and are eager to meet new people as well. You can prompt questions to ask like, do you know what you want to major in, or what's your program, to push the conversation further along.
Another great way to meet new people is checking out SAMU's Student Expo, where all student groups do their information sessions and recruitment. You can show interest in a particular group and a student recruiter will initiate a conversation with you.
Those sound like great options, but what if I'm not able to attend those?
No worries, there are plenty of other options. Here's another one. Simply join a Facebook group. MacEwan has lots to choose from. Most particularly, there's a page dedicated to the first-year students of the academic year. Here, you would have the opportunity to make tons of online friends that you will eventually meet in person. Sometimes the online format can also make initiating a conversation much easier.
You can also make friends by creating your own study groups. Working together to understand lecture concepts can lead to an environment of reciprocal learning and can blossom into a friendship outside the classroom. Check out our video on how to make study buddies for tips on how to find and make a study group.
Awesome! I will say though, at some point of the semester, I want to leave my desk and do something outdoorsy. Can I make friends that way?
For sure! Doing volunteer work through MacEwan's programs such as the Ambassador Program, Peer Health Education Team, and through SAMU can open the door to a simple way to make friends. Volunteering is a great way to give back to your community as well as expand your network. Give it a shot!
You can also participate in extracurricular activities. These include SAMU's Fall Fest, Griffin Games, and Trivia Nights at Towers. Get in touch with school spirit and you are bound to match your energy with a fellow student.
Those all sound like great places to go to find some friends. Can you elaborate on how I should go about talking to them?
When initiating conversations, the most cliche but important thing is to be yourself. You make genuine connections when you are being your most authentic self, and people gravitate towards those that are 100% real and unique.
Be attentive to what your new friend says, and remember their names for future interactions. They may also invite you to participate in activities a little outside your comfort zone, but don't sweat it. Say yes! Trying new experiences in university is key to pushing yourself and growing as a person.
Lastly, a compliment never hurts. If you like someone's shoes, tell them. That will make their day. Don't sweat the small stuff. Putting yourself out there is the hardest part of the process, but we promise you it will be rewarding once you do it.